Hello, I am Vidya Patil from Yashwantrao Chavan Institute of Science, Satara. I will discuss here amino acid classification part 2. In previous part, I already discussed about the amino acids as a glycine, valine, leucine, isoleucine and alanine. In this part, we will discuss about the sulfur containing amino acids, hydroxyl group containing amino acids and more. First amino acid is cysteine. Cysteine carries side chain as a CH2SH. Before that, I will just summarize that amino acids are alpha carboxylic acid with amino groups. Means this is the alpha carbon atom contains carboxylic group and NH2 group, and one hydrogen atom is present, one side chain is present, which is variable for each and every amino acid. In case of cysteine, it is CH2SH, means sulfur group containing amino acid. It is non-polar amino acid and it participates in the different reactions which is carried out by the enzymes. Shows the blue color with ninhydrin. And very important property of cysteine is it forms the disulfide bond. Here disulfide bond means one cysteine joins to the second cysteine molecule by forming a disulfide linkage or disulfide bridge. Means in this case here CH2SH group, okay, this SH binds with the another amino acid SH group. So there is a removal of two hydrogens and yes they are togetherly bind with each other and there is a formation of disulfide bond. Next amino acid is methionine. Methionine, it is also a sulfur containing amino acid. Here it is a non-polar amino acid. Symbol is MET, 3-letter symbol, and single letter is M. Methionine is a amino acid which shows the blue color with ninhydrin, and it is the first amino acid incorporated in peptide chain during translation as an N-formyl methionine. This is the structure of methionine, and in this case in side chain CH2, CH2, S, CH3. Next group is hydroxyl group containing amino acids. Acid is serine. Serine and threonine contains hydroxyl group in their structure. Symbol for serine is SER and single letter abbreviation is S. It contains hydroxyl group in the side chain and participate in the different reactions because of OH group. And here this serine amino acid is present in the active site of enzymes as well as proteins because of their OH group. Here serine contains side chain as a CH2OH, and this amino acid shows the blue color with ninhydrin. Threonine. Symbol for threonine is a THR and single letter abbreviation is T. It contains hydroxyl group in the side chain as a CHOH and CH3. Side chain is CHOH, CH3. It is a polar hydrophilic amino acid, participate in different reactions because of its hydroxyl group, same as like serine, and present in enzymes active site or proteins active site and gives the blue color with ninhydrin. Here this is the information about sulfur containing amino acids and hydroxyl group containing amino acids, and thank you.